Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this lecture video I want to show you how to adjust brightness on Windows 10. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, if you want to adjust or modify your brightness in your Windows 10, simply follow my steps. Here guys we have two steps or two methods. The first one, here in the lower right corner, as you can see, okay, click here in the notification icon, as you can see. Okay, here guys we have expand, as you can see, expand text. Click here in the expand. Okay, here guys, as you can see on the button, we have the brightness adapter. We can slide, as you can see. We can adjust the brightness for the Windows 10. Okay, as you can see guys, it's so easy. Or we can put 0, as you can see. So easy. Okay, the second method guys to adjust the brightness on Windows 10, here guys, go to your start menu, click in the settings, as you can see. Here guys, select system. Okay, in the left side select display. That's it. Okay, as you can see, brightness and color. We can here also adjust the brightness. That's it guys, so easy. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.